Hey everyone, if you've been thinking about finally taking your Amazon business to the next level, this is literally one of the best times of the year to do it because right now I have a special promo link in the description that gives you 30% off the Helium 10 Platinum plan. Yeah, 30% off, but it's for a limited time only. So if you're tired of guessing which products will sell or feeling overwhelmed by all the moving parts of running a store, this is going to make your life a lot easier. Helium 10 is the ultimate all-in-one software solution. It's not just for Amazon either. It works for TikTok Shop and Walmart sellers too. While most platforms only give you one or two tools, Helium 10 is the industry standard. They offer over 30 different tools that handle everything from data-driven keyword research to protecting your account. You don't deal with the guesswork anymore. No more wondering if your listing is optimized or if you're targeting the right keyword. You just log in and let the data guide you. It's honestly the best software for selling on Amazon because it addresses every single component of your business. Not just the fun parts, but the functional stuff like inventory management and PPC automation too. Before Helium 10, sellers just had to hope for the best. Now, you have search volumes, trending niches, and automated review requests right at your fingertips. It's like having a full team of experts working for you 24/7. Now, some people ask, doesn't Amazon have its own software? And sure, Seller Central has some basic reports, but it doesn't give you the competitive edge that a third-party platform like Helium 10 provides. It's designed to help you scale, whether you're a weekend seller or a massive business looking for a profitable exit. The setup is simple. Once you pick a plan, you just connect your Amazon seller token and you're ready to revolutionize how you work. And remember, that Platinum plan deal covers everything you need to get moving fast. It's all about maximizing your revenue while minimizing the time you spend on the day-to-day grind. You can eliminate the guesswork, put systems in place, and watch your competition fall behind while you use the raw power tools. Helium 10 is used by the most successful sellers in the world because it's built for speed, accuracy, and simplicity, all in one place. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start growing, grab that 30% discount on the Helium 10 Platinum plan while it's still available. Check the link in the description, lock in your savings, and start winning on Amazon with the best software in the game.